Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Is it good? Today we're gonna try out a recipe from allrecipe.com. I'm making pan-fried fish. So the recipe amount I'll link below in my description box, and basically it's cornmeal, flour, salt, pepper, and cayenne pepper. So first we mix the ingredients together. Okay. Like this. Okay, we shake it up, and then we put the fish in there and have it coated evenly. Okay, we drop the fish in there and we mix it up, get it all nice and coated. Once we get it nice and coated, we heat up a pan, pour some olive oil in there. Okay, enough to coat the pan and fry it. Wait until it heats up and we'll drop our fish in there. Okay, you want to grill this both sides 3 or 4 minutes, turning each way. Okay, the fish is done. I plated it. You cook on high for 3 to 4 minutes in both sides until it's nice and flaky. Let's taste it to see if it's good. Nice texture. Cook very well. Nice taste to it. The only thing I would comment is a little bit bland, but I'm gonna throw a little bit more seasoning in it. Other than that, this is a very good recipe. Until next time, see you later. Bye.